A very good evening and a very good Wednesday to all my traders across the world. So now let's begin today on one of the most craziest day or craziest week, I would say. The H4 sideway of this all-time high. Now let's go back to what we have mentioned. As you can remember, last week the price started from Monday was around this area. And as we have mentioned, there was a sideway within it, whereby if it broke below, it will waterfall, and if it broke above, it will fly. So now when we look at M15 for the shorter period of storyline, once the moment it starts to break out, that's when we start looking for the sells way beyond 2519, 2521, because it had the power to fly all the way up. But that's when you have to choose. Do you want to take the buy before the sell, or do you just want to focus on the sell? So once it spiked, as you guys can see, it entered the red box where we classified as the first high risk sell. And once it entered on the first attempt, 2515, waterfall all the way around 130 pips. Entered again on the higher area, which has mentioned to be the entry point. Touched it on M1's level, dropped all the way to 2509 for around 120 pips again. And then when it got back up, it just played around within the sideway, it spiked up. Now, where will it go? As you guys can remember, we have declared that the highest H4 point, whereby we had a sell limit, is 2530. Simply because this is a classical pattern of a sideway. Hence, as you guys can see, recently it did a test just now as well. What's so sad that it didn't take our sell limit above to be triggered at 2530. So on H1 now, it's clear that the direction is a sideway, the momentum is a buy, but the resistance is an ultra sell. So today, once US opens in approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes, we want to see what will it do around this area, whereby if it cannot break above 2530, that means today is a sell day from anywhere up here down to the first box, and if it breaks below, down to the second box, and if it breaks further, it will go from this box straight into this box. But if it breaks above on H4 or H1, meaning closing above 2530, let's zoom out. We don't know where will it go. Literally, there's no direction, there's nothing. So we had to go back to the key level potential, whereby I've mentioned if it breaks this sideway, it will go to 2545, 2547 very easily. So I'm looking for a sell and that's my plan for now. I can see the buy, but I will try to always avoid it because I don't like to go on the buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. But if you do want to go for buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, then just use the zones or the boxes. It will give you 30 to 40 pips easily, understand?